Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Breville. We'll make an espresso, do a double espresso. Excuse me, there we go. This grinds and tamps. When this machine came in, we replaced all the O-rings in the steam boiler. It's a common issue with the Brevilles, hot pressurized steam boiler and small O-rings. Anyway, there we go. Nice tenth shot of coffee. We'll press brew. There we go. Let's test the steam. That was Anyway, there you have it. Thanks for pairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.